When it comes to investing, many people feel like they need large sums of money to start seeing significant returns. However, it's entirely possible to turn small investments into sizable profits within a relatively short period, like 6 months, if you make the right moves, have a solid strategy, and maintain a disciplined approach. Turning small amounts into big returns requires careful planning, patience, and knowledge of the best markets and opportunities available. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the most effective ways to leverage small investments to generate substantial returns in just half a year. By using a mix of traditional investment methods, creative strategies, and emerging opportunities, you can make the most of what you have and watch your wealth grow. Start with the stock market. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to start turning small investments into profits is through the stock market. If you're new to investing, buying low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, is a fantastic starting point. These funds track the performance of a broad market index like the S&P 500, which includes the largest and most established companies in the US. While individual stocks can be volatile and risky, index funds provide broad exposure to the market, lowering risk while still offering growth potential. With just a small initial investment, you can buy shares of an index fund or ETF. Over the course of 6 months, you could see solid returns, as these funds generally track long-term market growth. The key to success here is to pick a diversified fund and invest regularly, especially during market dips when prices are lower, allowing you to buy more shares at a discount. Risk with potential rewards. Cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward investment, but when done strategically, it can provide massive returns in a short period, even within 6 months. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known digital currencies, there are many other altcoins, alternative cryptocurrencies, that can yield impressive profits. If you want to maximize returns within 6 months, it's essential to research emerging cryptocurrencies that have potential for growth. Look for tokens with strong utility, a solid development team, and a growing community of users. Many early investors in smaller, less-known cryptocurrencies have seen exponential returns, especially when they invest early and hold during periods of growth. Invest in high-interest savings or peer-to-peer lending platforms. While traditional savings accounts offer minimal returns, high-interest savings accounts or peer-to-peer lending platforms can provide significantly higher returns on small investments. High-yield savings accounts offer interest rates that are often much higher than traditional banks, allowing your money to grow passively with minimal risk. Peer-to-peer lending platforms, on the other hand, allow you to lend small amounts of money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. With platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend as little as $25 to borrowers and potentially earn returns of 5 to 10% annually, depending on the loan's risk. In just 6 months, these investments can help you accumulate solid returns. Invest in property with small capital. Real estate is traditionally a high-barrier investment, requiring significant capital to purchase property. However, thanks to real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and RealtyMogul, you can invest in real estate with as little as $500 or $1,000. These platforms allow you to pool your money with other investors to purchase a share of a property, whether it's residential, commercial, or industrial. Over 6 months, real estate investments can provide strong returns, especially if you focus on properties that are in growing areas or have planned renovations. Real estate can be a relatively stable investment, with the potential for steady returns through both appreciation and rental income. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved, including the property market's cyclical nature and fluctuations in demand. By carefully selecting your investment properties and staying patient, you can achieve significant returns in a short period. Flip furniture or vintage items. Buy low, sell high. If you're looking for a more hands-on, entrepreneurial approach to growing small investments, consider flipping furniture or vintage items. Many people make a profit by buying undervalued items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces, then restoring, refurbishing, or simply reselling them at a higher price. The key to success in this strategy is finding items that are undervalued, doing some minor repairs or upgrades to increase their value, and marketing them effectively. Websites like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay are great platforms for reselling items, and you can often flip furniture or collectibles for hundreds or even thousands of dollars with just a modest initial investment. Start an online business or side hustle. If you're willing to put in some effort and time, starting an online business or side hustle can be a highly profitable way to turn small investments into substantial profits within 6 months. With very little capital required to get started, online businesses offer endless possibilities for growth. Some popular options include e-commerce stores, dropshipping, digital product creation, and affiliate marketing. With e-commerce, you can sell products directly to customers through platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, meaning you only purchase the item from a supplier once it's sold. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printables can be created with minimal upfront investment, and once they're launched, they can generate passive income. Affiliate marketing also lets you earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services online. With the right strategy, any of these businesses can scale rapidly, turning a small investment into a large profit. Invest in stocks with dividends, reinvest, and grow. Dividend stocks offer a way to generate passive income while also benefiting from stock price appreciation. When you invest in stocks that pay dividends, you earn a share of the company's profits, typically paid quarterly. If you invest in dividend-paying stocks with strong track records, you can receive regular payouts, which can then be reinvested to grow your investment over time. Even small investments can turn into impressive profits through the power of compound growth. The key to maximizing returns is to reinvest your dividends instead of cashing them out. By doing so, you purchase more shares, which increases the value of your portfolio over time. Within 6 months, this strategy can help you build wealth gradually and steadily. Look for blue-chip stocks with a history of increasing dividend payouts. These stocks are often more stable and reliable, reducing risk while still providing significant income. By focusing on dividend reinvestment and patiently holding your stocks, you can grow your small investment into a large sum over time. Peer-to-peer car rentals. If you own a car and are looking for a way to turn a small investment into profits, consider monetizing your vehicle through peer-to-peer car rental platforms. Companies like Turo allow you to rent out your car to others when you're not using it, offering you a stream of income without the need for any upfront costs. Depending on the make and model of your car, this can quickly become a profitable side hustle. Some car owners make hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month by renting out their cars to people who need them temporarily. With the right vehicle and market demand, you can see substantial returns in just 6 months. Learn high-demand skills and offer your services. Another great way to generate substantial returns from small investments is by learning a high-demand skill and offering your services. Skills such as web development, graphic design, digital marketing, and copywriting are in constant demand, and even a few months of learning can position you to start earning income. Many online courses and tutorials are available for a minimal fee, allowing you to quickly acquire skills that can be turned into lucrative freelance work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer a way to find clients who need your expertise. With time and persistence, you can quickly scale your freelance business and turn a small initial investment in education into a sustainable source of income. Turning small investments into huge profits within 6 months is not just a dream. It's entirely possible with the right strategy. Whether you choose traditional investment methods like index funds or real estate crowdfunding, or more hands-on approaches like flipping furniture or starting an online business, the key is to make smart decisions, be patient, and stay disciplined. Always remember that there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. Each investment method carries its own risks and rewards, so it's essential to do thorough research, plan accordingly, and be prepared for the potential ups and downs. With the right moves, your small investment can lead to impressive profits in just a matter of months.